Milling CNC centers have two more motions in addition to the XYZ motions: the rotary motion of the spindle and the rotary motion of the index table. Such machinery is what we call a higher axis machine. The 5-axis milling center is a more popular version. The real value of CNC can be found within higher axis machining. This is such a method that can never be accomplished by manual means. There are many advantages of higher axis machining, like reduced cycle time by machining complex components using a single setup. In addition to time saving, improved accuracy can also be achieved as positioning errors between setups are eliminated. Improved surface finish and tool life by tilting the tool to maintain optimum tool to part contact all the times. Improved access to undercuts and deep pockets. By tilting the tool can be made normal to the work surface, and the errors may be reduced as the major component of cutting force will be along the tool axis. This higher axis machining has been widely used for machining sculpture surfaces in aerospace and automobile industry.